Easy layup by number 10. Sino na ng mukha? 2 points, no good. Pass to number 10. Hindi nakalusot. Isa pa, number 11, 2 points. Number 5. Steve passes the ball. Steve by number 45. Nice pass. Fake. Dalawang napeke. 2 points. Pass break. Outside. Pag magpapasa tayo ng bola, lalabas tayo. Bago pa lang, Rep. Bago pa lang ata. Pagbigyan natin magbago. Number 16. Pasa 17. Pinasa kay Lebron. Number 45. Dribbling the ball. Pasa sa ilalim. Number 12. Press. Pinasa tayo number 35. Number 35. Steve. Number 23. For 2 points. May number yan. Wala may number. Talikod. Traveling violation ang tawag nila. All 4. Number 3. Nag-dribble. Pasa check by number 45. Pasa kay number 23. Number 43, pinasa check. Number 3, pinasa na siya outside. White ball. Number 45. Nag-dribble. Pinasa kay number 23. Number 5. No good. Outside, white ball. Number 25. Steve. Pasa kay number 23. Steal again by number 3. Steal again. Behind the back na check. Lusot. Outside. Dark ball. Outside. Umilaw na rep. 6 minutes. 20 seconds on the shot clock. Two points. By number 20. Number 11. Easy, 2 points. Number 35, libre, no good. Rebound by Seth. Outside, white ball. Nice pass. Number 45. Foul. Steal by number 11. Number 35, pinasa kay number 2. Steal by number 2. 11, easy basket. All 8 ang score natin. No good. Number 45, 2 points. Number 17 for 3. Air ball. Number 23 and 1. May free throw po tayo, may bonus shot tayo pag naka-foul counted. Bonus shot is no good. Number 3, with finger roll, no good. Rebound, isa pa. Pinasa ka, sir. Easy 2 points. Check. White ball. Number 25 for 3. No good. Rebound by number 3. Number 11, libre naman. No good. Pinasa ka, sir. Nice pick. And 1. Bonus shot is good. Number 5, dribbling the ball to be discarded. Slicing, dicing. Munti ka nang pumasok. 1 foul. Number 25, nice pass, libre, nastilan. Number 17. Number 3, dumidiscarte. Easy 2 points by number 3. Number 5 is foul. 1 foul. No good. Black ball. Two minutes on the shot clock. Number 3, Dominic Scarte, still, pinasa kay number 35. Foul. Ilan na yung rep? 2? 1 foul. Air ball. Number 3, pinasa itong papasahan. Number 16 ang nagdala. Number 16, pinasa kay Sir. Sir, mid-range shot, no good. Number 45, pinasa kay number 23, easy shot, 2 points. Number 3, steal. Nice pass, number 35, nag-hesitate, 2 points. Lamang na po ang white. 15-16 in favor of white. 56 seconds on the shot clock. Number 17, spin move. Foul. Three. No good. Foul. Now pass. In and out. Number 10. 35 seconds on the shot clock. Nag-dribble si Sir. Dinasa kay number 17. 17. Spin move. Fade away. No good. Number 45. Dinasa kay number 35. Nakataas pa isang pa. 2 points by number 45. Sir, no good. Easy layup, 2 points. 9 seconds on the shot clock. 7, 6, 5, 4, out. 2.4 seconds on the shot clock. Ooh.